Hi guys, 97 Tech Geek back with a video. As you may have seen in the background there, I've just unboxed the Erazer Beast 16X1 Ultimate. I did mention I got the cooling kit for it to go as well. So here's an unboxing. So in the box, get user manual and user manual, one in German, English, French, Italian, Spanish. What else languages we got? Yep, plenty of different languages covered. I must say it's fairly small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, and if I'm being completely honest, it's some free software that I got given. So in the box we do have some sort of quick disconnect module, I guess, if we need to replace it, along with an Allen key, which I assume should tighten something up. Also got some spare O-rings and gaskets should they fail, which I assume they probably will, which is nice they thought about it. Also got a barrel connection, which I guess will make more sense in a moment. And then we've got ends that go into the laptop and the pump accordingly. And it does have a quick disconnect. I'll just push that on the side and that obviously clips out. So that's nice to see. Hopefully should avoid spillage. Similar sort of bag to the laptop. I can just pop this down on the floor because I don't think there's anything else. Nope, nothing else is in there. So that comes in this little bag. Can you do it one-handed? Evidently not. Let's wiggle that one off screen. So that's the front by the looks of things. Got an on-off. I don't know if that can control. I assume it can't because it's got no connection to the laptop because the barrel won't be doing any sort of data running at all. It will just be power. So I assume that will be on and off for the pump. Fan on the side there. Got a tank there with a minimum maximum, which you can just about see. There's a minimum there and a maximum. I don't know if you can hear that, but it does appear to have some liquid in it. It's not registered on the minimum, so I imagine that you probably need to actually fill it up. It doesn't come with any fluid, which is not particularly great, but that's what it is. So on there, you can see you got in and out, and then I'll connect the hoses. And once again, you can see the min-max levels there, and got a radiator. So yeah, in terms of this, I haven't really got anything particularly great to measure it against, but if I put it on the laptop, I'd go for probably about 6 inches, maybe 6-7 inches in length, probably not that much more in height. In terms of what you can put in it, it says don't put any cooling in it at all, just use distilled water. In the UK, that's fairly hard to come by. You wouldn't generally need to go to either a pharmacy, but then that's not always guaranteed, or Amazon. What I've done is just gone for some deionized water. Distilled is better, but I think given how little it is, it's probably fairly easy to clear out, and it's not particularly a massive tank, so I can afford the cost of emptying out the coolant every now and then, just to ensure that it doesn't, it's out of focus, so it doesn't end up having algae and other crap in that you don't want. But yeah, that's that for now. I won't bother plugging it in to the laptop. I'll do that in another video. But yeah, just a brief video and unboxing of this little cooling. I believe it's got some LED lights on the front, and it connects to the laptop outside, of course, the power with this cable via Bluetooth low energy, so that you can then see and troubleshoot should you have any issues with the pump, the coolant level being too low, and changing the light and strip there, and I think potentially the tank and also the fan from pictures I've seen. I'm probably, much like the laptop in a minute, going to turn off most of this. Probably have the keyboard set to white, that maybe set to a static colour, if not off. What's the front look like? The front's fairly non-offensive, so yeah. But yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks very much for watching this video. Hope you like the content. Please consider commenting, as any interaction is good, as well as liking and subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content. Many thanks and goodbye.